Accounting definitions of accounting. 1. The process of keeping financial accounts. 2. Communication of financial information. Financial information means monetary transactions of a person, business, or an organization. Organization means where two or more peoples work together to achieve same purpose. 3. The system of recording and summarizing financial transactions and analyzing, verifying and reporting the results. 4. Keeping records of all financial transactions related to an individual or an entity, for example, organization. 5. Accounting is a language that is used to communicate and understand financial ideas, financial policies, financial plans, financial information.